Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, your Iota trading informant. This is an English update. My normal language is German, so sorry for my English, but I need to speak English because I have a nice live stream out there. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant, and you know it, guys. I have some guys from America, they are watching my stream and they are watching my updates. So this is the English update for Iota. What's going on? We are starting now. So here we are, Iota. What's going on? We are very bullish. Look at this, 87.2 points, very bullish, and everything is green. Only the 24 trend is under 50 points, 46. Every other thing is telling us, yes, it's looking good, it's looking nice for Iota, and we are going up to the upside. Let's check more. What's going on? Iota versus Bitcoin, and that's really good, guys. I told you on my last video, attention. We saw a bad diamond pattern. The diamond pattern broke out to the downside with this bad parallel channel. And now what's happening? Yes, of course, we are breaking out to the upside. We have the daily time frame here. Every candle is 1 day. And what can we see here? We are breaking out. We have a confirmed breakout against Bitcoin. For the moment, it is a better time to trade Iota as Bitcoin. And we can see Iota is climbing now, top 60. On my last video, it was place number 61 of the crypto coins. Now it is place number 60. Iota is growing. Really nice for the Iota fanboys. But attention, Iota versus Bitcoin. We have here our 0.786 Fibonacci. And maybe we will reach this point here, and after this we will see what will happen with Iota. For the moment, everything is looking good, and we have now the moment, can we make a new high here? Here was the last one, and we are spiking up a little bit. Maybe that's not a bad thing. So guys, what's going on here? We have here Roxanne Williams. Roxanne Williams is telling us, okay, Iota faces stiff resistance at the 100 EMA curve. And what can we see here if we're going down? Yes, here is a chart picture, and we can see daily time frame 100 EMA, and what can we see? We are facing this one here as a resistance. I will speak about this a little bit later in the analysis, but yes, of course, it is a really big thing we need to watch. The next stuff here is ProSmart Trader. He is showing us, okay, maybe we will see a nice leg to the upside. Maybe we will see here a point up to, look at this, 80 cent. 82 cent down again, and then maybe a possible breakout to this point here, $1.13, or to the resistance zone, $1.40. Okay, it is a try, it is a really nice try. Here is a support zone. We touched it perfect. Now is the big question, can we go up from here? Let me check more. Here is investing.com. What is investing.com? A really nice homepage. And what can we see here? We see here the really important candlestick pattern. We need bullish candlestick patterns. We have here the time frames, monthly, weekly, daily, and so on. And we can see on the monthly, we have no bullish pattern here. If we're watching the wiki, what can we see? And this is really nice. This is maybe a sign for a bottom building. We saw here a engulfing and bullish engulfing on the weekly time frame, June 19th. This was this little candle here. And since this, we are going up a little bit. On the day, what can we see? A lot of patterns here. The last one was this one, a doji star, a bearish reversal. What's happening? We are going sideways a little bit to the downside and now to the upside. Here is no bullish pattern for the moment. Okay. The really important coin Codex, Iota price prediction. What is telling us the price prediction? And it is telling us we may go up to here, this point. Maybe we will reach here 38 cent. After this, down 33 cent. Okay, let's check this in detail. We have fear in the market. The fear and greed index is showing us 31 points fear. And we have a neutral sentiment, but the bullish sentiment with 56% and the bearish one with 44%. And if we are watching this one, here is a Iota's 50-day, 200-day simple moving averages on 14-day relative strength index. What can we see? We are over the green line. That's important. That's the 50 MA. We are, for the moment, over the green line. We saw a big fight here, and now we are going up. We can see here on the upside, this violet line, that's the 200 MA, and this is the price about 57 cents. Big resistance. For the moment, we are fighting between both of this. If we are going down, We can see the important support levels, resistance levels. Okay, not so important for me for the moment, but I can tell you 33, 32 and 32.0 is the biggest support to the downside, and 34, 34.6 and 35.3. This is the biggest resistance level to the upside with the most strength here. Now, really important, what's going on in the next 30 days for Iota? We will check this in this update also. So the next days are showing us, okay, we will go up here 6%, 36 cents here, and after this we will go down. Let's check, show more. We will go down 34, 33, okay, August 15th. After this, we may see a nice jump to the upside, 41 cent, 41.9. And this is 46 maybe in September. So the price prediction is telling us we may go up in September and we may go down now a little bit in August. Okay, let's check more. I love these price predictions. Guys, they are not working 100%. Guys, they are not working 60%, but I love to watch it because all informations we can have, or should I tell you, we should have all information we can find here, and from this information we can make one picture, and that's the reason why I make these updates. A lot of informations, and after these informations we will draw a picture. So is it profitable to invest in Iota? Okay, that's not so important for the moment. What are the price levels? I told you, is it a good buy in 2022? For the moment, not so much, but now what will happen with the price next month? Look at this, September, 45 cents. This would be nice. Let's go down a little bit. What is the price prediction for 2023? And it is possible to see a price from 42 cents to 73. So the price prediction is telling us we are not going down here more. Maybe we saw the bottom. This is showing us the price prediction, and we are going up from here. 2024, between 54 and $1.63. That's a big range. And here 2025, 70 cents or $3.60. Okay, this would be 945%, 54%. Okay, nice. Let's check more. We will check more. I told you at the beginning of the video here, this one, Roxanne Williams. We are now facing stiff resistance. What can we see here? 100 MA. Here we are. Yes, that's a big resistance, but guys, it was a big resistance because on this day, look at this. We saw yesterday a confirmed closing candle over this resistance, over the 100 MA on the daily time frame. Every day is one candle. Every candle is one day, and now we have the next confirmed closing candle over this. Let's check the history a little bit for Iota. What can we see here? Guys, it was a perfect fight, and Iota lost this fight. We went down again. We saw a big dump to the downside after touching this MA 100. Now we are confirmed over this. That's awesome. That's really nice. That's a good sign. But, and here's the but, guys, look at this. We saw here a big fight. We lost it. Up again, fight, up, down, and after this, a jump to the upside. It was a nice support here, a long-time support, and here we lost it again to the downside. So it was a long-time resistance. Now we are going up again. For me, it is a really, really bullish sign that we have a confirmed closing candle on the daily time frame here. That's really good. That's really awesome. So what else can we make? Here is the daily time frame. Today, I will show you something different. Not the typical thing what I'm showing you on my videos. Today, I would like to show you a different stuff. Guys, look at this. I would like to show you the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave. In my opinion, it was a really, really nice upgoing Elliott wave with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave. It was a nice pump to the upside. You know it, guys. After a 5-wave Elliott wave theory to the upside, we will see an ABC correction. So let's try to draw this correction. An A, and B, and a C. It's possible. It's possible a 5-wave upgoing wave, a ABC correction to the downside. What's next? I hope now for a nice next long upgoing wave like this one. it's not impossible. It's not impossible to see something like this one. Maybe not so fast as I drawed here, but it would be a next upgoing wave with a new high. I hope for a new high. We saw the last one here on this point, and now it's possible to see an upgoing price. Not impossible. I'm not telling you guys that's the prediction. That's the big thing. What I'm showing you, I'm going all in. I never go all in, guys. I'm trading. But it is possible to see a nice upgoing wave here like this one. The problem is for Iota, it's really quiet about the technical things. It's really good for the moment. You know it, guys. I had a video out there with staking. We can stake Iota coins. If you have a Firefly wallet, you can put your Iota coins in the Firefly wallet. I have a nice video out there. Please watch it. If you have any questions, okay, write in the comments. I will answer it. So you can stake really nice ASMB coins, ASMBR coins, ASMB. And that's for free. You have to use the Firefly wallet and so on and so on. That's good, okay. But it is really silence about the technical thing for Iota. So what is picking for a nice upgoing thing? Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a really nice stuff. And I know it, guys. Iota is a really has a really close conclusion to Bitcoin. And I think if Bitcoin is going up here, Iota can make the same step to the upside. The big question is, will Iota grow more as Bitcoin or not? That's the big question. And that's the big thing why we are watching this one here, why we are watching Iota versus Bitcoin. For the moment, you can see it, Iota is growing more as Bitcoin, or it's not going down so fast. You can speak as you like, but for the moment we are going up here against Bitcoin. Here is the big question: can we go up more or will we go down again? So guys, back to this prediction, back to this stuff here. That's a quick overview for the day. I'm removing all drawings. Now let me show you the golden cross and death cross situation. This is also really interesting because we are in the death cross situation on the daily time frame. You can see it here on the death cross zone. Here was the death zone. Since this point, we are going down. So we saw here a fake out and down again under the green line. What's the big thing for the moment? Here was the fight with the green line. We won it. The big question is, can we go up to this red one? That's the big thing. Can we see maybe the next golden cross here for Iota? This would be really bullish. For the moment, we have the target. The target is the red one, 55 cents. You can see it here, the golden death cross plot. And this is the next big thing. We need to reach the red line to the upside. And that's not all. Remove the drawings, remove the golden cross, check the ribbon band. The ribbon band is also really important on the day. Why? Same situation. We saw a fake out over the ribbon band, bam, down again. Now the next thing, can we see more confirmed closing candles? For the moment, yes. For the moment, it's looking nice. And look at this. We saw here this point. This was the last short signal for the ribbon band. Since this, we went down. Now we need this red ribbon band turning into a green one. This would be a long signal and this would be the start of a next pump to the upside. I hope for this. Let me hope it, guys. Okay, that's the ribbon band on the daily time frame. The next stuff, what we are checking. So clear chart picture. The next stuff, what we are checking is this one. We have now a nice parallel channel to the upside, a little one like this one. This is a nice little parallel channel to the upside, but remember, we also have one here to the downside. That's the big red fat downtrend channel. We are going down. Yes, of course. Here is the next big thing, the middle line, guys. You know it. I love the middle line. Why it is so important? You can see it here. We saw really nice rejections here on the middle line from Iota. Here, the perfect fight. Now, let's go up. Let's break up more. And here's the middle line. And here's the point, 37 cents, maybe. And after this, we will see, can we go on more? Yes or no? And what do we need? We need to break out from this parallel channel. That's really important. We can also draw it like this one. Let me try. Let me try to draw it like this one. Yes, it's working perfect. From this point over this point. And you can see here the middle line is this one. It's better, guys. It's really better. We saw nice rejections here or here and here. Yes, it's working. Okay, guys, that's the thing. That's the big thing if we're watching the bigger time frames. Now, let's check one thing. That's the Fibonacci retracement. Highest point, lowest point. It was here on this point. This was the lowest point. And we can see we need to fight back this one here, 80 cent. It's a long way up to 80 cent. We will not speak about this. And on my last video, I showed you on the German video. Nice. Maybe, I'm still hoping for this, guys. Maybe we are here in a cup and handle pattern. I know it's a long handle to the downside, but I'm still hoping for this. I'm still hoping for a nice cup and handle pattern. You know, the target to the upside is amazing. It's really amazing. And we can use this line from the trend line here to the downside to the deepest point, and we can put it, the bands always where we can break up to the upside. But it would be an awesome, nice target, 40 US dollar. Okay, guys, I know it's not looking so good for the moment. We are on 40 cent. Why we should go up here with the factor 100? Because it is a pattern. It is a cup and handle pattern. And yes, of course, it is not impossible. Next bull run. We need a next bull run for Bitcoin so we can fly here to the moon. This would be great. Okay, that's a big overview for Iota. I will not make it too long. It's 60 minutes for the day. Maybe I will show you on the next days something more in detail. But now, for the moment, that's the big thing. One thing before we end, let me check this one here. We can check one thing, and that's really important. Let me show you where it is. Multicolor Bollinger Bands, market faces. Oh, sorry, too much. Too much. Let's forget the MA100. Remove indicators, remove everything. Here is a clear naked chart picture. And now, here we go. Multicolor Bollinger Band market faces. This is a really nice tool because it is showing us in which market phase we are. And now, if we are zooming in on the daily time frame, we can see here the market phases. Red is a bearish market, a bear market. Orange is not so good, it's better as red one. Here red again, orange, red, orange, red. The big fight sideways going. Yellow was better, red down again, yellow. And now it is the first time since long time we see the turkeys here. We see this phase, and that's a really bullish phase. Let's watch the history. What's happening if we are seeing here this turkey things? It's a nice upgoing thing here. Nice upgoing, nice upgoing. We need a green one. A green one is a nice bull run. The Turkish one is okay, but we need a green. We need a green. We need green phases. The Turkish is not so bad, and you can see we are now not in a bear zone, in a bear market. If you're watching this multicolored Bollinger Band, we are now on this nice little Turkish color here, and that's a bullish stuff. So guys, enough from today. I wish you the best of luck. Really big thanks for my last video. I had 1,000 views. I had so much likes to the upside, so much thumbs to the upside. Thank you so much for supporting me. I had some retweets on Twitter, and this was really awesome because some new guys went in here in my channel. I have now 2,400 followers on YouTube. And yes, guys, Twitch banned my main account. Twitch banned my live stream, my Biti Bitcoin trading informant live stream. And this is really bad, because I had to make a new one here. I have now a new live stream. The name is Bitcoin_Biti. I am here on Twitch, but I'm also there on YouTube. Nothing changed on YouTube. The live stream is also working here. And you can see here so much things you need for trading if you are trading Bitcoin. And if you are trading cryptos, you need to watch my live stream. Guys, thank you very much. Thank you for your support out there. I wish you the best of luck. And I hope for a lot of thumbs to the upside, so I will make more videos for Iota. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Your Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, your Iota trading informant. Bye, guys.